Welcome back to the channel. So following the success of our RS3 8Y kit, we decided to make a kit specifically for the S3 8Y. So we're going to show you how to get that fitted today. This car is an S line, but the kit works on it because this has the quad exhaust conversion already. So we'll show you how to get that fitted, and we'll do a walk around of the kit quickly. It is the same spoiler as the RS3 8Y Saloon, but the splitter and the side skirts and the diffuser are all specific to this car. So it's a 3-piece splitter, it's a 1-piece diffuser, and the side skirts are obviously 1 piece as well. So let's get going. So we've got the splitter lined up. Miles and Ryan are holding it in place, and I'm going to put the rivets in. So we're using 4.8mm rivets with a flanged head. So with these side skirts, they go into the metal seal, not into the plastic like a lot of them. So we would recommend that you rivet them, and we will provide rivets with this. Now we've got the splitter, side skirts and spoiler done, we're going to move on to the diffuser. First thing we're going to do is take off these six Torx bolts under here, and then we should be able to just unclip it and take it all off. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to shave these little pointy bits down on the bumper because they're catching on the diffuser, because it's obviously carbon is really rigid, whereas the normal plastic one goes around it. So when the clips go into here, they will push on it just like that. You see that it's catching it just there. So it's not allowing the clips to fully clip in. So what we're going to do is we're going to shave these down a little bit just so they're nice and flat. It's not going to affect the way your bumper operates, but it will let us get a nice flush finish on the diffuser. So as you saw, we got the diffuser on. We also put a few rivets through the tabs so that it holds on there nice and tight, and so nobody can just take it off and steal it as well. So that's the S3 8Y kit all done. We're really happy with how it looks and how it all comes together on the car. So let me walk you around the kit and explain how we fitted each part. So with the splitter, it comes with 4 M6 bolts to screw the pieces together. So there's 3 pieces in total. And then we riveted all of this onto the bumper. You could also screw it, nut and bolt it, depending on what you prefer and which tools you have. With the side skirts, that was what we did second. With those, you do ideally need to rivet it because it goes into the metal of the car, because for some reason on the 8Y, Audi didn't add any plastic side skirts other than these on the S3. So it's fine, it means that they're held on there really strong, but you do need rivets, which we will provide with this kit when we send them out. With the spoiler, same process as always, take the old one off, clean it all up, and stick the new one on. We only use tape on these kind of spoilers. We don't use any Tiger Seal or anything like that. It would be completely unnecessary and a complete nightmare if you ever need to take it off. Then the most difficult part was the diffuser. So the reason it's difficult is because it has a lot less flex than the original one. So there were a few little tabs just under there that we had to trim down on the bumper itself, but then it fits all nice and snug. We also secured the diffuser from the back with rivets. You could do that with self-tapping screws, whatever you prefer, whatever you've got to hand, not to hand, but whichever tools you have. And then fitted the bumper back up, all fits together nicely, and this is the finished product. The kit is available on our website to buy. We will add the link in the description to this kit and all of our S3, RS3 products in the description below.